All right, so in this lesson, we will solve a system of linear equations. So we're going to solve a system again. Solve a system of linear equations. And will use a substitution method again, but this time it will be a different substitution method than we used previously. So example 1, y equals 4x plus 6, and the other equation is 5x plus y equals negative 21. I want you to think about it like this. This is y, right? I'm going to make that green. So y is 4x plus 6. So I'm going to write this second equation here. I'm going to write 5x plus y equals negative 21. Actually, I'm going to show you something real quick. So y equals 4x plus 6. That might make it easy for you to see. And here is our second equation. So y is 4x plus 6. Y is 4x plus 6. So in this equation, y is 4x plus 6. And then we keep everything else the same. So 5x plus 4x plus 6 equals negative 21. Now, if you prefer, we could put like a 1 here, so like a 1y. So 1 times 4x is 4x. 1 times 6 is 6. And, oh, well, that was a positive 4x, my bad. So positive times positive is positive, positive times positive is positive. All right. Then we bring this down, 5x plus 4x plus 6. I can probably write that a tiny bit nicer. Positive positive is positive 4x. Positive times positive again is positive 6, like I said. Now I'm going to bring down this 5x. And it should equal negative 21. So 5x plus 4x is 9x. Let's simplify before we start solving. Before we start undoing operations or balancing. Then we subtract 6. We get 9x equals negative 27. Ooh. We get 9x equals negative 27. I can make that a little bit better. And I divide by 9. And we get x equals negative divided by positive is negative 3. Okay. Actually, for the people who primarily look at the notes, I'm going to drop this down here. X equals negative 3. Sorry, sometimes the little things matter or can matter, and I'd rather be safe and edit this as I go. Okay, so we know that x equals negative 3, so we do what we usually do. We just plug it in. It doesn't matter which one. It doesn't matter which one. It doesn't matter which one. Remember that. Just because of that, I'm going to use this one, okay? So 5x, I'm going to put it in blue this time. So 5x plus y equals negative 21. For x, I will substitute in a negative 3. So 5 times negative 3 plus y equals negative 21. A positive times a negative is a negative. So negative 15 plus y equals negative 21. And then I add 15 to both sides. And I can write that a tiny bit better. And then I get y equals 15 minus 21 is negative 6. A little better. Okay. So the solution to my system is -3. Remember x comma y, and then so -3, -6. Now let's go ahead and do it again. So we have this equation y plus 5 equals 4 times x plus 3, and x plus 3y equals -5. Now, neither one of these says something like y equals. Like this one says y equals, so we put that over here. Like we took this and we put it right here, right? But neither of these say y equals. So I'm just going to change this one to make it say y equals. So y plus 5 equals 4 times x plus 3. Positive times positive is a positive. Positive times positive is a positive. So I get y plus 5 equals 4x plus 12. Now I'm going to subtract 5. Oh, that looks a little wonky for some reason. So y plus 5 equals, okay, so subtract 5. And we get y equals 4x, so 12 minus 5 is 7, so positive 7. So y equals 4x plus 7. So if y is 4x plus 7, I'm going to put that right here. You could have done it the other way around. You could make this one say y equals, and then put it right there. It's the same technique, okay? And so let's do it. So I'm going to label this one in red. So x, I need a little bit of room. X plus 3y equals -5. Now, instead of y, I'm going to put 4x plus 7. Don't forget that 3. Don't forget that x plus equals -5. Okay, so let's distribute first. Oh, so x, positive times positive is a positive 12x. And a positive times a positive is a positive 21. And then I will combine like terms, so 13x 13x plus 21 equals -5. Let's get some more room. Minus 21 minus 21. 13x equals -5, -21 makes -26. Divide by 13. Divide by 13. We get x equals -2. All right, cool. Now remember, we need to plug this x into one of these equations. I'll show you that we can even do it here, okay? So I'm just going to change the color just because I don't want so much green, then you can't differentiate any part of it. So I need to write this. So y plus 5 equals 4 times x plus 3. I'm going to make this x. Oh, I should probably correct that 3 a little better. Okay, I'm going to take that x and I'm going to make it -2. So it's going to say -2 plus 3 on the inside times 4 should equal y plus 5. Positive time, well, let's just write this down first. A positive times a negative is a -8. Oh, I don't even have to do that. I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm just doing PEMDAS, right? I'm just doing order of operations. So I can just write y plus 5 equals negative 2 plus 3 is negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. 3 minus 2 is positive 1, yeah. And then I get 4 times 1, which is 4. I get y plus 5 equals 4. Subtract 5, subtract 5. And I get y equals 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So my solution here will be x comma y, which is negative 2, negative 1. All right, so let's go to the next page.